Hello my pretty viewers, I am Jhumun and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today I created a super duper glowy dewy no makeup look. So that is what I am going to share with you today. To create this look, it will take hardly 15 to 20 minutes. It won't take that long if you have everything in front of your hand. In this video, I will share with you lots of tricks for this makeup. So let's get started. So here I am starting with a primer. It's a great silicone based primer from Mars. After applying it, the skin feels very smooth. So I tried to use which will give glowy dewy finish on my skin. After that, I cover my pigmentation areas with the color corrector, and here I am using NYB orange color corrector, and I am applying it on my under eye area, the side corner of my nose and around lips area, and I am blending it with help of this wet sponge. Now I will set that area with a loose powder. Here I am using Lakme Rose powder. You can use any loose or translucent powder which you have for setting this creamy color corrector. After that, I will apply foundation and I will mix a little bit Maybelline strobing cream with it because it will give my skin a very natural dewy glowy finish that I need for this no makeup look. I am mixing it on the back of my palm. First I applied it on my all over face with my fingers, tip. Then I am blending it with a wet beauty blender. It will blend nicely for a while. Remember one thing, blend well as much as you can. The better you blend, the more natural your skin will look. After that, I fill in my eyebrows. This is a very important step in no makeup look. Since we are not using any vibrant color on our face, if we draw our brows precisely, it gives brighten our face. Now I am taking little bit foundation which I used before for my base, and I am applying it on the bottom part of my eyebrow with it, and also put some foundation over my eyelid for a clean base. To give a little definition on my face structure, I will use powder contour, not too much, a little lighter. Here I am using Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice blush palette, and I am blending with the help of the fluffy angled contour brush. I am applying it just lower part of my cheekbone and the side part of my nose and the hairline and the double chin area. It will give my face a shadow effect. As a result, my double chin will be less noticeable. Now I will give the effect to my eye also. Here I am using Nykaa Smoky Addict eyeshadow palette. First I am taking two deep brown shades and applying it over the crease area and blending it. It will give a depth to my eyes. Not like that, this palette has to be. You can use any nude smoky palette here. You have this color, that's it. So in this no makeup look, I will not apply any kajal. That's why with these two color, I am applying it on my lower lash line. Also with this two color, I am putting it little bit on my upper lash line because after applying foundation, they become a little white. Now I'm taking little bit shimmer from this palette and applying it on my eyelid area. Not too much, only for dewy subtle finish look. Then I am blending it so that everything looks very smooth and shiny. After that, from this palette I am taking this golden color as a highlighter. First I will take the little bit color and tap it for the excess can remove. I am applying it on the tips and the bridge of nose, little bit to my brow bone. It gives my eyes more wider and lifted. And I am blending this with a wet sponge because I said earlier I don't want too much shiny or chunky. I need a glowy dewy finish on my skin. Whether I do makeup or not, I like to use highlighter. It enhances the complexion and making my cheekbones look more prominent. After that, I am applying mascara. It enhancing our natural lashes. So today's makeup video is very different. We do makeup but it looks very natural, very innocent, just like baby face. If you don't have very much thick lashes, you can follow these tricks. Here I first apply a few coat of mascara, then curl it before it dries. It makes my lashes uplifted also. Now this time I am coming to my lips. You can apply any nude shade whatever you have. But here I will show you a trick where your lips will also be matte but it looks also dewy without using a lip gloss. I took a little bronzer shimmer color and I put it on the middle part of my lips. That's it. It changed the whole look and it's perfect for the today's theme. So you can see without lip gloss how the lips can be shown more glossy and shiny. Really, the pink color suits on my natural skin tone, that's why I'm using it. So here is my final today's glowy dewy no makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please don't forget to keep thumbs up on the video and please do subscribe my channel. I also upload various kind of skincare and hair care videos on my channel. So please don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. And please let me know in the comment section what you think of today's video. So see you on my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay pretty.